Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can convert a decimal number into its equivalent octal representation. So watch the video till the end to learn how we can convert a decimal number into its equivalent octal number.
A decimal number can also be converted into its equivalent octal format using the repeated division method. So here the decimal number is given as 266 and we have to convert it into its equivalent octal format. So we will follow the procedure as similar to the decimal to binary conversion. Just we have to divide the decimal number by the base of the octal here, means by base of the octal, which is equivalent to 8. So here we are going to divide the decimal number by the base of the octal 8 and we are going to collect the remainder after each division process, and finally we will collect all the remainders from downwards to upwards, and that will be our equivalent octal number of the given decimal number. So starting this, we are given 266. So if we divide 266 by 8, so here the divisor, the quotient will be 33 and we are having a remainder as 2. Next 33 can be further divided by 8, so it will be 4 times and the remainder will be 1. 4 can again further divided with 8, it goes 0 times and here the remainder is 4. So here we will stop the process and we are going to collect the remainders, this one, from bottom to top order. So the first remainder, it becomes the LSB, least significant digit, and the last remainder, it becomes the most significant digit. So therefore 266 in decimal is equivalent to 412 in octal. Here we are given a decimal fraction number. This can also be converted into its equivalent octal format. Just the procedure is to successively multiply the decimal fraction by the base of the octal, which is 8, and to collect all the numbers to the left of the decimal point and read it downwards. So just starting with the procedures, we are given a decimal number as 0.34. we are going to multiply it with the base of the octal, which is 8, and in this multiplication process we will obtain the result as 2.72, and we are going to collect the left part of the decimal point. So here this thing, we are going to collect the value 2. So we are left with 0.72. again it is getting multiplied with 8 and the result will be 5.76. we are going to collect the left part of the decimal point, which is 5. So we are left with 0.76, which is getting further multiplied with 8. we will get as 6.08. we will collect the result 6. Now if we collect 6, we will get, we are left with 0.08, which is getting multiplied with 8. So we are getting 0.64. So you can see that it's a never ending process, collecting all the digits from top to bottom order. So we will get the result as 0.34 base 10, which is equivalent to 2560. Obviously there will be a point, 0.250 base 8, and since a never ending process, so we will get a result, an approximate result, which is correct up to 4 significant digits.
for watching the video. If you like the video, then hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell icon for regular updates.